Hello everyone and welcome to my channel EshtechZ. Today we will be starting with a new series named as Garbage Collection, a concept worth learning. Now there are many reasons why you would want to learn this topic, but some of the most prominent ones are this is one of the advanced topic in Java. Also, interviewers love this topic. So without delay, let's start with list of topics. Now, the first topic is Introduction to Garbage Collection, Object Lifecycle, what is GC root, phases of garbage collection, generational collectors, types of GC which includes serial GC, parallel GC, CMS or concurrent mark sweep GC, G1 GC or otherwise known as garbage first GC, epsilon GC, Shenandoah, and the latest addition ZGC. After this, we will be learning how to select the right type of garbage collector for our application, followed by best practices and advantages and disadvantages of garbage collection. So let's move on to our first topic, which is Introduction to Garbage Collection. Now here on the screen, as you can see, we have house and a garden. So for our example, let's consider this house as a program and garden as memory. Now when we start executing our program will generate objects. So for time being, these objects will be useful for our program, and once they serve their purpose, it will be useless. So if application runs, it will create objects which are no longer used for our program. And if application runs for long enough, it will keep on generating lots of such kind of objects. Now these objects which are no longer required are known as garbage. So there are languages like C or C++ wherein the creation and destruction of those objects are programmer's responsibility. Now since it's a programmer's responsibility, it is error prone. And the reason why I'm saying this is because if programmer forget to destroy an object or reclaim the memory acquired by that object, the application can run into a memory leak situation. Now this problem is solved by Java by creating a process known as garbage collection, which does the automatic memory management. Now it's not a programmer's responsibility anymore, and hence it is free from errors like forgetting to claim the memory. It also helps programmers and it frees them from the burden of managing the memory and let them concentrate on business logic. Let's go back to the image wherein we have seen the lots of garbage collected by the program. So now we know that in C and C++, handling the garbage is programmer's responsibility, whereas in Java, it is garbage collector's responsibility. Now that's it for this particular introduction. In summary, let's see what we have learned. The first thing that we have learned is garbage is nothing but the objects which are no longer needed in our program. Garbage collection is a process which destroys the garbage, does the cleanup, and claims the memory. And at last, garbage collection is an automatic memory management provided by Java. So that's it for this particular tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be learning about object lifecycle and what is GC root. So please like, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thanks for watching.